Tassie, where are you, mate?
I should have just brought the beer myself, mate. Oh, Sid, look. Can you smell that? She looks like one of those old Big M girls. Remember the Big M commercials?
Yeah. Big banana, if you like a cheddar, or if you prefer a big ice.
Sorry, I'm late, fellas. Mate, she's still looking at you.
Naturally. What took you so bloody long?
I got distracted at the supermarket reading about Michael Chamberlain. He died today.
Who?
The dingo baby father, you know, Azaria Chamberlain.
She's smiling at you, man.
Yeah. Who's that she's with? He looks familiar.
Age can affect your eyes, mate.
Yeah, shut up, dingo breath. People who wear glasses shouldn't throw stones.
What?
Age hasn't affected anything on me, mate. See that girl over there? I bet she's still looking over here even though she's with that other bloke. You see, when God made beer, he gave us VB. And when he made cars, he gave us Holdens. And when he made God's gift to women, he made me. Cheers, love.
Chalk is so brittle.
She's so heavy.
Fair go, mate.
Hey everybody, settle down, settle down. Settle down, please. My name is Miss Hartford, and I'm pleased to be teaching you all the joys of Year 10 math.
Figures.
Now, I know what you're thinking, but do I look like someone who would have enjoyed math when I was 15?
17, miss.
Oh, you're so mature.
Shut up, Mole.
Hey, that's not acceptable language in my classroom.
I'm sorry, miss. Are you going to spank me?
What's your name?
Azaria.
His name's Sid, miss.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, left a little bit of chalk. I'll get that for you. Riddle.
All right, Sid. How about you stay back after school? Maybe you can paste all this chalk back together again.
Detention.
Anything for you.
Okay, everybody take out your books, please. Open up to page 10.
You dog, you did it on purpose, didn't you?
Out of my league, is she, Tassie?
Well, she's a teacher, Sid. Did you smell her when she walked past the desk? Like so.
Hey, that is nothing, mate. The real scent of a woman is something special. Something only a real dog can detect.
You know what? Maybe that dingo did steal that baby.
What are you talking about?
Well, that baby that was taken by a dingo? Well, she was a girl.
What's that got to do with the price of fish?
Well, no, mate. I just think you brought up an interesting theory, that's all.
Listen, I'm trying to talk about the heat I can smell coming off a Hartford, you wombat.
Do you really think you can get with her?
Listen to Baldy Breath. I can get whoever I want, whenever I want, however I want. As a matter of fact, I'll put $5 on that I can moisten her little flange tonight.
No, you're too young. I can't do it.
It's okay, all my girlfriends are married.
I'm not married.
All the better than this.
Don't call me miss. It's definitely Stevie for short. But I have a boyfriend.
It's alright, I don't.
I'm the man, I got the plan. When it hits the fan, do all I can, do all I can.
Hi, Maria. Hey, it's Anastasios. Oh, it's Taz, your cousin. Yeah. No, I'm good. You? Yeah? I've just been thinking, you know how you guys are moving soon. Do you need someone to look after your dog? Yeah? Oh, no, I'd be happy to. Oh, I can't right now. I'm at the milk bar. Yeah, I'm just about to go to footy training. Okay. Alright, tomorrow, that sounds good. Alright, bye.
Just stand there for 1 minute, Taz. I just want to go home.
Don't be a sook, turn around. I thought of a new specky. I'll bloody snap ya. Now turn around and put your bloody hands up, man. Let's do this.
Oh, yeah. No, look, here he is. No way.
Might even let you take him home, Tazzy.
That's the real sensible woman there, mate. Something you know nothing about, but you could think about it next time you have a little wiki-wiki.
What a star.
So what, you gonna ask her out?
Mate, she's got a boyfriend. Come on. Bloody drove detention again tomorrow.
Oh, bloody legend.
See ya.
See you later, Tazzy.
I've got to move now. Hell
it. Sid.
Yeah.
No, Sid, no.
What was the matter?
I'm doing something terribly wrong.
Don't worry, you're not my first. You're not going to be my last.
That's charming. But I'm a teacher and you're underage for one.
No, I'm not. I'm 17. 17 and a half.
Did you take my underwear?
What am I, a pervert? No.
Well, because I looked for them everywhere in the sick bay and I couldn't find them.
Well, who cares if they find them in the sick bay? They could be anyone's.
If I lose my job...
You're not going to lose your job, miss.
It's
Stevie. Sorry. Can we, like, get back to the...
Sid, I'm gonna get in trouble. If we get caught, I get that.